number 6.
Okay. One more. Yes. Okay.
Number 35. Pass to Tucson. Castro to Santos to Tucson for 3. Alud. Rebound by Beltran. Pass Ferrer to Castro for 3. Rebound by Larga. Pass Tucson to Santos. Santos. Pass jersey number 95. Super Larga. Meron ng 3. 7 on the line with jersey number 11. Hunters ball. Official score. Time remaining 3 minutes and 5 seconds. That's good. By jersey number 6, Rosario.
Uy, tuloy-tuloy niyan, tanga. Oo nga, tuloy. I-stop mo, Rimol.
Official score 18-13.
May dito pa ito. Tuloy-tuloy lang yan.
Shout out mo.
Number 9 to 35. To Flores. Push shot another. To number 0. To Miguel. To number 6. Using the ball. That's good.
Time out.
Official score 18-15 in favor of Team Vultures. Time remaining 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Ayan. Ito ini, ganyan na ini.
Ready to give. Ready.
Yun na. Eighteen.
18-15. Ako may naman. Sige, kinampo.
Back to the ball game.
Score.
18-19.
Oh, 18-15.
Ay, 15-18. 19.
Official score 18-15.
Oh, tama ko.
Tucson to Flores. Jumper that's good.
Ano ka man dito? Ilagay! Bubo pa ano mo? Tama ko. Ayun ko lang.
Pantay kayo kuya bang. Push.
Single to Tucson.
Yabasin, tangan dito eh.
Oy! Tuman! Pilis not. Oy! Kuya bang!
Rosario. That's good.
Malas ka, kuya.
Time remaining 1 minute and 50 seconds.
Pantay kayo kuya bang! Challenge! Kuya bang! Pantay kayo kuya bang!
Castro, that's good. Half play with Team Thunders.
Ay!
Set lang, set lang.
Santos, Black Hands. 7-9, Sable. 14 seconds
Shut
to
up, kay
shoot.
Babaw.
Last shot!
14 seconds to shoot. Remaining 1 minute and 5 seconds.
Ay, dumudi-bulay.
There's foul against number 6. That is their second personal foul. Now remaining 1 minute and 1 second.
Wala ko 40 seconds.
Bigyan mo to.
Ano ka doon sa pote, wow?
Ito po. 55 seconds. Castro. Step back for 3. Short. 3 by Tucson. Tucson nagkamatay. Tucson atake. Coloriano. Lariano for Tucson again. Tucson for Castro. Castro for 3. Mulago. 3 by again. To Rosario. To Beltran. Beltran. Attack. Floater. Mulago. 3 by Rosario again. Foul. Foul on jersey number 30. Blocking foul. And remaining 30 seconds. Stunt no good. Official score 24-19 in favor of Team Vultures. Second attempt, that's good. 4-point lead by Team Vultures. 25 seconds. Santos, second play. Pass to Tucson fix. Tucson to Santos. And second to shoot. Lariano. Lariano. 5 seconds. Beltran. Lay after good. Official score 22-24 in favor of Team Vultures.
Score!
Dalawa.
Sabihin mo ah.
24-22.
Oh. Shout out! May amboy na ambase. Uy!
Siyempre, bago mo makakaboy sa siyempre.
Shout out kay Aramo! Uy!
Yo, kahit po niya sa bakuta.
Shout out kay Jackie na
Ipawit mo.
Tama!
Second quarter nila ba? Second quarter nila ba? Second quarter nila ba? Castro to Beltran. Beltran to Ferrer. Capilida for 3. That's good. 3 points with jersey number 3. Games favored 25-24 in favor of Team Thunders. Tucson. 10 seconds to shoot. Tucson for 3. No good.
Next rep! Wow. Ay.
Beltran, starting the play. Pass to Ferrer. Ferrer, pass to Castro. Castro. To Rosario, to Ferrer. 5 seconds.
Yay, TV!
Hello, go.
Yay, TV!
Laureano, starting the play. Pass to Targa. Targa to Flores. Flores, no good. Rebound Ferrer. Santos. Tucson, no good. Rebound by Targa. Targa layups, no good again. Rebound by Rosario. Rosario to Beltran. Beltran sidestep layup, no good. Rebound by Flores to Santos for 3. No good again. Rebound by Rosario. Rosario to Ferrer. Ferrer to Apelido for 3. That's good. 3 points by Apelido. Tucson. Appeal to Laureano. Babawe, that's good. 3 points by jersey number 9. Official score 27-28 in favor of Sea Thunders. Beltran starting the play, dribbling the ball. Castro. Traveling violation by jersey number 7. Houston starting the play, pass to Santos. Santos. To Rosario. Foul, ball on jersey number 9.
Next play! Laos yun. Nice, Laos man.
14 seconds to shoot. Apelido, catch and shoot, no good. Rebound Apelido again. To Rosario, Rosario, attacks. No good. Rebound number 35, Targa. Last touch by jersey number 7. It's number 9. To Santos. Santos to Tucson. Tucson to Flores. Flores, foul. All on jersey number 6. That is third personal foul. Resultan lain. Sedangkan ayo tekan Revolver Rosario to Beltran. Beltran to Apelido to Ferrer. Ferrer attacks Nugget, number 30, Santos. Santos to Targa. Targa jump short. Rebound Beltran. Beltran looking for the fast break play by Beltran. Floater no good. Rebound Ferrer. Ferrer, that's good. Seconds, violation. In favor of Sid Thunders.
Score? 27-30.
Number 12, Miguel. Starting the play, pass to Beltran. Beltran pupukol ng tres. Short, rebound Beltarca. Flores. Flores, sidestep, layup, no good. Rebound by De Jong. Beltarca. 3 seconds, violation. Yan. Ferrer, that's good. Tucson. Starting the play with number 9 to Flores. Flores attacks. Using the board, that's good. Again. Pass to Beltran. Beltran to Castro. Castro for 3. That's good. 3 points by jersey number 7. 6-point lead by Sid Thunders. Tucson to Tarka. Tarka babawi ang press. That's good. 3 points by jersey number 35. Miguel to Beltran. Beltran fakes. Beltran Tapido for 3. No good. Rebound by Tucson. Tucson. Looking with the fast break by Tucson. To Laureano. Back to Tucson again. Tucson to Laureano. There's number 9 jumper. That's good. Score 34-35 in favor of Sid Thunders. Time remaining 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Miguel to Ferrer. To Castro for 3 again. No good. Rebound by Flores. Flores to Tarka. Tarka reverse layup. No good. Ferrer to Beltran. Beltran layups no good. Last touch by jersey number 12. Number 9. Number 9. Laureano. Meron ng dos. No good. Castro nagbamadali. Steal by Tucson. Again, starting the play. Pass. Foul call under number 28 or blocking foul. That is your second personal foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Castro. Beltran. Beltran for 3. That's good. 3 points by jersey number 29. Tucson.
Tangina ka.
Time remaining 1 minute and 50 seconds. Laureano. To Tucson. 10 seconds to shoot. Tucson layups. That's good. Tucson. Time remaining 1 minute and 30 seconds. Tucson to Flores. Flores to Tarka. Tarka layups. Not good. Substitution. One minute and 20 seconds. Beltran for 3. Not good. Walters ball. Laureano. Waving the ball. Pass to Tucson. Tucson to DeLeon. DeLeon to Tucson again. Tucson fix. Flores jumper. Not good. Rebound by Castro. Castro to Miguel. Miguel to Beltran. Still by Flores. Flores layups not good. Anders ball. Time winning 41 seconds. Five seconds. Miguel to Castro. Castro fix. Castro step back jumper. No good. Rebound by Tarka. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. Beltran sidestep layup. No good. Same ball. 15 seconds. Time remaining 15 seconds. Official score 38-36, 15 seconds. Castro to Miguel. 10 seconds. Castro. 5 seconds. Castro for 3. Foul call on jersey number 99. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. First attempt, no good. 2 seconds. Second attempt, that's good.